Good morning, children. Very good morning. Today we will discuss about general. Of course, last class we have discussed this. Once again, I will revise the important nuclear power stations in India. So far, as of now, we have finished the syllabus. So to entertain you, to engage you, I will give you some important general knowledge questions, and it is most important for your general knowledge as well as competitive wise. So here, let us see. This video for next class, that is 5th February 2021 to class 8 subject geography. It is general based and related to map or general important nuclear power stations in India. Important nuclear power stations in India, right? So, which are the important nuclear power stations? Here, there are 6 most important nuclear power stations in India. Very important because many times, any general knowledge examination, competitive examination, this 1 mark compulsory they are going to ask you. Why I am insisting you this about nuclear power stations? I have seen so many question papers, IAS, IPS, general knowledge, RSP, bank examinations, other competitive examinations. This bit is very important. Therefore, I have been insisting this to you people to learn this kind of things, which are the important nuclear power stations in India. So in India, yes, there are 6 most important nuclear power stations in India. 6 most important nuclear power stations in India. So here are the power stations. Number 1. First of all, we will discuss about this name of the nuclear power station. Thereafter, we will discuss where this each power station located in the different part of the country. Now you can see here, I have mentioned already here, this I have told you for even 7th class, your junior guys, right? So now number 1 is Nauda nuclear power station, Rawatbhat nuclear power station, Kakrapara nuclear power station, Tarapur, Kaiga and Kalpaka. These are the 6 important nuclear power stations. One is Nauda, Rawatbhat, Kakrapara, Tarapur, Kaiga and Kalpaka. These are the 6 most important. Each power station has been established and located in different part of the country. If you take the number 1, that is Nauda. Okay, it is situated in the northern part of the country. Nauda nuclear power station located in the northern part of the country, that is in India. Northern part of country is. Northern part of the country is Nauda. Okay. Now after the Nauda, now come to the next one is Rawatbhat. Rawatbhat, or you can say Kota. It is in northwestern region. Rawatbhat, it is located in northwestern region. And come to little bit down, come to Kakrapara. Kakrapara nuclear power station. It is in the western side. Come to little bit south, Tarapur. It is in the southern region. Then come to Kaiga. Kaiga nuclear power station. It is also southern region. And Kalpakam in southern. So that means in south there are 3 nuclear power stations. One is Kalpakam, second one is Kaiga, and third one is Tarapur. There are 3 important nuclear power stations in India. There are 3 important nuclear power stations in India, especially in the southern region. Yes, southern one is Kalpakam, second is Kaiga, third one is Tarapur. All these 3 are located in southern region. Yes, in southern region of country. southern region of the India is. That is Kalpakam, Kaiga and Tarapur. Rest western side is Akrapara, Rawalpindi, and this is Nauda is northern region. So important nuclear power stations in India: Nauda, Rawatbad, Akrapara, Tarapur, Kaiga, Kalpakam. Overseas children, please make a note, write down, and please memorize each power station where it is located. Each power station where it is located. Each power station where it is located, you can okay. What are those? Little power station once again I advise. Number 1 is Nauda. Number 2 is Rawalpindi. Number 3 is Akrapara. Number 4 Tarapur. Number 5 Kaiga. Number 6 is Kalpa. Clear? These are the 6 most important nuclear power stations: Kalpakam, Kaiga, Tarapur, Akrapara, Rawalpindi, Nauda. It's already this important nuclear power stations in India. Last class 8 boys, we had discussed this. I don't know how many of you seen the video, how many of you listened. Once again I am telling you, yes, most important for the examinations, right? Important nuclear power stations in India: Kaiga, Kalpakam, Rawalpindi, Nauda, Akrapara, Tarapur. Kalpakam, Kaiga, Tarapur, Akrapara, Rawalpindi, and Nauda. These are the 6 most important nuclear power stations. Now come to where these power stations located, where these power stations are established. For example, take Nauda. I said in northern region. Northern region immediately should recollect this. Nauda nuclear power station located in UP, that is Uttar Pradesh. Nauda nuclear power station is located in Uttar Pradesh, right? Okay. And UP. Of course, this densest population state UP, and this has been divided into Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand, Dehradun, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh capital is, what is the capital of Uttar Pradesh? Lucknow. Uttar Pradesh capital is Lucknow, and Uttarakhand capital is Dehradun. They are the 2 important capitals. The state has been divided into 2 districts. This state has been divided into 2 districts. As divided, one is that is Pradesh, that is Lucknow, and second is UK, that is Uttarakhand. UK, Uttarakhand. Right? These are the same states. As you know, UP is the densest population. Yes. UP is the state, the densest population state is. Right? Nauda is a Nauda nuclear power station located in Uttar Pradesh. Next come to Rawalpindi or Kota. It is in Rajasthan. Rawalpindi, or you can say Kota. It is in Rajasthan state. Third one is Akrapara. Akrapara is situated in Gujarat. Akrapara nuclear power station is Gujarat. Then come to Tarapur. Tarapur, it is in Maharashtra. Next come to Kaiga. Come to what is this? Kaiga come to here Karnataka. The last one is Kalpakam, it is in Tamil Nadu. Kalpakam is in Tamil Nadu. Kalpakam is where? It is in Tamil Nadu. Okay, Kalpakam is in Tamil Nadu. So these are the important power stations and located in different states. Nauda, Uttar Pradesh, Rawalpindi, Rajasthan, Akrapara, Gujarat, Tarapur, Maharashtra, Kaiga, Karnataka, and Kalpakam, Tamil Nadu. Of course, examination time, when you talk about map, the exact point will be marked as nuclear power station. Only you should write down the name, that's all. Exact place will be shown. Place will be marked. Only thing is you have to write the important nuclear power station. Right? Name of the nuclear power station. So here once again, Nauda, Uttar Pradesh, Rawalpindi, Rajasthan, Kakrapara, Gujarat, Tarapur, Maharashtra, Kaiga, Karnataka, Kalpakam, Tamil Nadu. Kalpakam, Tamil Nadu. Yes. Clear? Kalpakam, Tamil Nadu, Kaiga, Karnataka, Tarapur, Maharashtra, Kakrapara, Gujarat, Rawatgarh, Rajasthan, and Noida, Uttar Pradesh. These are the important nuclear power stations. These are the important nuclear power stations in India. Not clear? Even the same thing also can be given as before. One side there will be all the states, important nuclear power stations. Another side they will give you all the name of the states and match the following. Once if you know the important nuclear power station and where it is located, hardly how many are there? Only 6. Noida, Uttar Pradesh, Rawatgarh, Rajasthan, Kakrapara, Gujarat, Tarapur, Maharashtra, Kaiga, Karnataka, Kalpakam, Tamil Nadu. That's all. Only 6 easy to remember. And when we talk about these thermal power stations, if you take these thermal power stations, there are plenty ways. Thermal power stations in India, there are more than 360. Then it is very easy and it is very difficult to identify. In the case of this nuclear power station, it is very simple aspects. So you should not confuse and you should not bother, you should not take tension. Because there is a very few and very easy to remember this. Clear? This is regarding nuclear power stations in India. And come to the next one is thermal power stations. Of course, we discuss. There are 20 and optional. Normally, maximum time I have seen they are going to ask you this nuclear power stations. I hope you understood which are the important nuclear power stations in India and where they are located. So in India, there are 6 most important nuclear power stations. Right? One is Noida, that is Uttar Pradesh, Rawatgarh, Rajasthan, Kakrapara, Gujarat, Tarapur, Maharashtra, Kaiga, Karnataka, and Kalpakam, Tamil Nadu. So these are the 6 most important thermal power stations in India. Is it clear? Yeah. This is your this thing. Of course, this is not for examination may not come, but this will be for the sake of our general knowledge. Clear? So therefore, just you can make a note and this you have to memorize yourself. You can ask yourself which are the important nuclear power stations in India and where all these power stations located. Similarly, there are thermal power stations also. There are many Vijayanagara, Patagoriam, Ramagundam, Rajahmundry, Bhopal, so many other areas. Especially when you think about these thermal power stations, northeastern states very important. Northeastern state, Mumbai and Namru, Loktak. These are the very important. Okay. Of course, these are Assam, Manipur. There are 3-4 important thermal power stations are there. They are very important. If you concentrate, that's more than enough. Of course, that is related to your syllabus. I will give you later on. Okay. Now this, don't worry about it. As and now. Clear? This is regarding nuclear power station. This should be by heart and naturally. And come to one more thing I would like to tell you, children. Your periodic test is going to come. For this month, almost today is 28, is going to be 10, and next week, of course, this classes from 1 to 6th February. 1 to 6th February. And 1/6 is over, 7th is All India Science School Entrance Examination. Am I right? All India Science School Entrance Examination, 7th. The sooner this exam is over, I think your second periodic test, second periodic test for class 6 to 8, and second report for class 9 to 12 is going to commence. So periodic test and second pre-board examination is going to commence from when? That is on 8, February 2021. So it means what? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So exam that is 6 paper series. So up to 18 to 8 to 13 February your pre-board examination. So you have to pull up your source line. All the 6th to 8th lower classes and followed by 9th to 12th class. Also you have to prepare for your board examinations. The second pre-board examinations are going to commence soon after the entrance. That is immediately 8th. I think you may get circular. It is on the process. So I am giving you advanced information. So therefore you can be alert and can prepare for examinations. That is your second period is going to start from when 8th February is 8th February 2021. Clear?